We're back together. It's fate for episode 118. I wish I had a cool rhyme, like something like coolest dinner plate for 118, but I don't.
This is your job. Like ever since 100, you were been like on the ball.
Like there's always a feeling great for 118, but I mean we gotta have something better than that, you know? I got nothing, man. Eight.
We gotta figure out something that rhymes with 8 and together. It's been a while. Holy Dinah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Ready. Go. On tonight's episode, we're gonna show you the brand new Trencher 3.8 LPs for the Maxx.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna unbox something pretty cool.
Ooh.
So stay tuned. Welcome.
Welcome.
We're finally back together in the shop.
In the distance.
Episode 118.
Yes.
Ultra Hobbies Show. So he's Chris.
Aaron.
So it's nice to be back together in our original location where we all started. Thank you everyone so much for, tuning in to all those episodes that we were together and apart and doing stuff.
May have been a little confusing, but we got it all together.
We got it sorted. So before we forget, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. But let's get right into it. We got lots of stuff to talk about. I'll let Chris go for it right off the bat.
Well, the Maxx got some new tires. Got the newly released Proline 3.8 Trencher LP, so low profile.
Yep.
Made pretty much specifically for the Maxx, or like a smaller monster truck, I guess. Mm-hmm. Super nice feeling compound, and they went together really nice. These have the interchangeable hexes, so if you do end up ripping the hex or damaging the hex, unbolt it, bolt the new one on.
Yep, and they also are available in aluminum, and there is 2 offsets you can buy in the 17mm hexes as well. So they're quite nice, and like as Chris said, these are the new Raid wheels. The Raid wheel is now kind of falling in line with everybody else, so short course is going to get it 2.8 stuff, so like the Rustlers, the Stampede tires, they're getting it. Everything is going to get these new Raid wheels, and honestly, like my personal opinion on it, thank you Proline.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How many times have you wrecked a singular wheel because a wheel nut falls off? Right? Yeah. And then you have to replace a whole nother pair of tires.
Round of the hex.
And it sucks.
It's
sucks
terrible.
A lot.
Yeah.
So is there something else you want to show these fine people?
Oh yeah, there's something else. We're not just going to be trying out these tires. We're also going to be upping the old voltage a little bit. So we put in a Gens Ace 5000 mAh 6-cell battery. We're going to run that beast on this guy. And I have to admit, I'm a little bit afraid. Because that's a lot of voltage, man. And this is a...
small truck.
Yeah, small truck. And the UDR is also going to be running on 6L too, which I've never driven it on.
So a lot of people ask, just as kind of a FYI, a lot of people ask on the comment section in YouTube that the UDR seems to have a boatload of power. So Chris has a Hobbywing Max 6 in here with a 2200 kV Hobbywing motor as well.
Yes.
So it gets rid of a lot of the exponential curve that the Traxxas speed control builds. So that's why this thing seems a lot more powerful just on 4S than the stock UDR, and that's why.
Even over like the Max 8, that Max 6 just has that extra little bit of torque for the little bit of a heavier truck the UDR is.
That's correct.
Yeah.
So let's get this outside.
Yep.
And let's go bash it on 6S.
Let her rip.
Let her rip. Let's plug her in and give her some snooze.
Are you excited?
I'm pumped, Billy. I'm pumped.
Ready for the big pop? Oh, that wasn't that big of a pop.
think it's a new SCX10. Maybe like the third adaptation or something.
Is there a truck in this box?
Well, there's a bunch of parts to
No
build
way.
a truck.
Something new from Axial?
Yeah, so this is the brand new SCX10 III
Yeah, I'm excited about this one, man.
from Axial. So this is going to come portals
Mm-hmm.
pre-installed, I guess, because I
Yes.
mean the portals are kind of hard on this because they are pre-molded into the diff cases. Like the C hub's pre-molded for the portal
Yeah, oh
housing,
yeah.
and the
Yeah.
rear carriers are already comes with.
Yeah.
But we'll get into that.
Yeah.
So this is the brand new kit. This is going to be a 2019 Jeep
Yep.
Jeep Wrangler, sorry, not
Jeep
Cherokee.
Wrangler, yeah.
It's going to have the high detail in the body, so you're going to get the grille inserts, the headlights, the windshield wipers, door
Mhm.
handles, things like that. You're going to also have the ability to do a couple cool things with that transmission. And I know this is what you like.
2-speed, which, I mean, who can complain about that?
Mm-hmm.
And also, Axial is putting in a dig unit. So if anyone doesn't know what a dig unit is, what that is that locks up the rear tires and only engages the front tires. So when you're in a tight spot, you can just spin the front tires and pivot your truck. So
Pretty
that's a
neat.
pretty cool thing to have on like a 1/10 crawler. Usually you see it on like the race and stuff, like the big cage crawlers.
Rock
Or the
bouncers,
bouncers, yeah.
things like that.
But yeah, it's pretty neat to see in a small truck.
How can you build this transmission? Is there a couple different ways you can build that transmission?
I believe so.
So you should be able to build it single speed with dig,
Yeah.
single speed no dig,
Yeah.
2-speed no dig, 2-speed with dig.
You got a lot of options.
So you have a lot of options.
Yeah.
You can do a lot of different stuff with it. This also has the forward-facing transmission
Yeah.
in between the front shock towers, very similar to the Traxxas,
Mhm.
and also a scale detailed engine
Yeah, with
compartment.
little pulleys and the belts and everything.
for
so
your
you can
receiver
paint
box.
that up yourself and everything.
So very, very nice. 6mm stainless steel links right out of the
Mhm.
box, so it gets you a little bit
Yeah.
extra weight down
Yeah,
low
with metal ball ends.
with metal ball ends, which is a big increase
Yeah.
over the stock
yeah,
like plastics.
Yeah.
that used to
Beadlock
come.
wheels, new design.
Yep. And a full interior and cage.
Yeah.
So kind of neat. So let's crack her open and see what we got going on.
I need scissors. No, wait.
Do you have a knife?
I have very strong fingers.
Nice.
I'm just-
Okay, so first things first, all the interior. So this is the brand spanking new interior. You even have a head roll. So this is the brand new interior. You have a molded driver with heads that are obviously going to come in the kit.
Yes. Body clear, ready to be painted with all your little add-ons. Grill already cut
Oh.
out to bolt it in.
Dude, there's a lot of stuff. Look how many holes are in that
man.
body.
Well,
There's
you
a
got
lot of
your
stuff.
taillights, your spare tire, your door handles, your fender flares,
Yep.
your roof mounts, your cowl, everything, man.
Everything.
Even
Yep.
the cowl.
Tires.
Tires.
So
and
you're
wheels.
gonna get the brand new trail grapplers, the Nittos, and these are, I do believe, the R35 compound, so they are a little bit softer. And there are those method wheels that are also included in the kit.
6mm stainless links.
Are you gonna link it all together?
Yeah, it's the missing links.
So
They're
this
in bag D.
is a transmission bag. So we're pretty excited about this. Chris has been kind of antsy to build one of these. So what we're gonna do for the shop is we're actually gonna go through this, build it, and we're gonna have an almost ready to run kit sitting on the shelf that you can purchase instead of building it yourself. I know a lot of people get a little bit worried about building a kit, and that's where Chris and I come in. So we can get you set up with that.
I don't know how to put any of this together.
So the cool part, though, like Chris was saying, with that interior,
This
you're
is what
also
I really
going to
wanted
get
to see.
a full roll cage. So that's kind of neat. Full roll cage. This is your head, and you have some hats and that you can paint as well. Tail light lenses. That is a boatload of hardware.
2-piece frame rails, eh?
Yep.
I don't know
This
how
is
I
like
feel.
wheelbase adjustable.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Wheelbase adjustable, my dude.
Yeah, I know, but like, you lose a lot of rigidity when you take the frame rails and cut them in half, you know?
So here's your diffs, and
That's
I mean,
just my thought.
this is my complaint with this kit, and you can correct me
The
if I'm wrong.
pre-molded portals, man.
Pre-molded portals. So what we talk about is that diff housing is all one piece with the portal box on it.
Yep.
Kind of nervous about that, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, we're gonna get a little bit more in depth on this and start building it. So stay tuned.
Thanks for joining us.
There we go. That's the end. Sorry, there's gonna be some bloopers after this.
You didn't like that?
No, I don't know. Maybe.
Fine.
Okay, there we go. That's the end.
No more banter.
Episode 118. So before we say goodbye, don't forget to check us out on social media.
Yeah.
RC Deebs over here.
Yes.
Check him out on Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube.
Yeah.
Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com.
Mm.
And don't forget to check out us on social media platforms, Ultra RC Hobbies on Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Instagram. We've been doing a whole bunch of Instagram lives on IGTV,
Yeah.
so check those out. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. And we hope you have a great evening. Bye.
Hey, bye.